CQT, Computer Quick Tips, Episode 34, WIZMO. Hello everyone and welcome to this edition of CQT Computer Quick Tips, and today I'm going to show you a little program called WIZMO. If you've never heard of WIZMO, what this program does is it makes it able to control certain functions of your computer right from your desktop. You get this program from the website grc.com. I'll show you that here. That's the Gibson Research Corporation. And what we want to do is we want to come down here to Freeware, Utilities, and then click on WIZMO. And it will open up the page here. And right here it says, what the heck is WIZMO? WIZMO is an extremely useful Windows gizmo I created when I couldn't find anything else on the net to do similar jobs. WIZMO is a multi-purpose miscellaneous Windows function catch-all with a growing list of uncommon but useful features and capabilities. Now, we'll scroll down here and it has a list of some of the functions that it is. The WIZMO command vocabulary: standby triggers Windows standby mode. Hibernation triggers Windows long-term hibernation. Log off of the current user. Lock the Windows station. Blind lock the Windows station and power off monitors. Exit Windows. Now on my system, which I'm running a Windows 10, when you use this function, it actually will shut down the computer. I think in other Windows versions it just exited Windows and you came to a prompt, but with 7, 8, and 10 it will actually shut down the computer. And then you have reboot, which is self-explanatory. It just reboots your computer. And then you have the shutdown command, shuts down the computer. And then the dammit variations, you can take a look at those. And then in the drive open, eject, and close load section, you can open your CD-ROM drive. I find this kind of useful because sometimes even if you press on the CD-ROM drive button, it still won't open, and then you have to go into the controls and find your CD-ROM icon and hit the eject there. But with this, you don't need to. You can create an icon that goes on your desktop and you can click on it and it will open your CD drive. The close option is for CD drives that have a mechanical close, a motorized close. I had a machine that had that feature. All I had to do was push on the CD-ROM tray and it all spun in and closed itself, and that's what that's for. My laptop doesn't have that mechanical close. It has to be manually pushed in and to lock, so that option wouldn't work on my machine. Open drive, you can open or eject a specific removable drive media, and closes the specific drive media. And then you have Wi-Fi disconnection prevention commands. You can do a WAN lock, disable Windows 0 configuration service, and a WAN open, re-enable Windows 0 configuration service. And then the Windows screensaver commands. Blank activates the system screensaver. Now you have to have a screensaver enabled on your system for this to work. If you don't have a screensaver enabled, it won't do anything. And then auto blank, you can disable, enable timed blanking. WIZMO screensaver commands: blackout, blank the screen to a basic black. And then desktop, blank the screen to a desktop color. Mono off, turn off all monitors. Graviton, that's a built-in screensaver, and it's got different options for that. Now, to get WIZMO, Just come to the top of the page here, and you can download it. And when you download it, it tells you to put it into a system file like System32. I tried that on Windows 10 and it didn't work in the System32 file. What it did do, I had to put it into the Windows folder. So if you put it in a Windows folder like this, you can go ahead and click on it. And if you just click on the exe, it just brings up the program and tells you about the options, just like it does on the web page there. To get it to work, what you need to do is right click on the WIZMO exe and then go to send to, make a shortcut to the desktop. So we're going to send it to the desktop, and as you can see here, it did make a shortcut. Now what you want to do to confirm, if I click on the shortcut that I created, it just does the same thing. It brings up the actual program. So what we want to do is right click, go to properties, and over here where it says target location, what we want to do is after the WIZMO exe, we want to type in one of the commands, and I'm going to type in the blackout command. And then I'm going to hit apply, and then I'm going to hit OK. Now if I double click, it blacks out my screen. Now my screen is still on, it's still powered up, but it just turns it to black. Now to recover from this, you can hit your space bar or move your mouse and it brings it back out. And then I've made some icons here of useful things here that I use, like when I'm making my daily vlogs with my webcam. When I'm using my webcam, my glasses shine, make a reflection on my screen. So when I'm doing my videos, I turn my screen off and I just come up here to monitor off, and I double click on it. Now my monitor is actually turned off. I moved the mouse and it came back on, and that's what it's designed to do if you make any move. So click it again and it's off. Now sometimes you can move the mouse or hit the button and it takes a little time to come back, but that's okay. It just depends on what it's doing. But you can make useful icons with this. I've got the monitor off. I got my I made an icon here to open the CD-ROM, because like I said, sometimes I can hit the button on the side of my CD-ROM drive and it still won't open. It's kind of finicky that way. I can reboot my system. I can turn my screensaver on. That's my screensaver, the ribbons screensaver. And then I can actually shut down my computer with the shutdown. Now I have not used the shutdown command. I actually use the exit command. But on a Windows 10, you can use either one. You can shut down or pick exit. It does the same thing. I hope you like this video, and if you do, give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel, and tell all your friends about my channel and share my videos, and also take a look at my social media sites, G+, Facebook and Twitter. And if you missed last week's CQT, just click on the image to the left and it'll take you to that. And also check out my website, the Chuck Baker homepage at chuckbaker.org. And I will see you next week for another CQT video. Till then, everybody, take care. Bye-bye.